Now let's talk briefly about your rock installation. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your Menards, Lowe's, hardware store, or Lake Superior, local lake, and you're gonna find some rocks. Now, the rocks that you're gonna want to use are granite and quartz. They're gonna last the longest. They don't pop when they're heated up. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna install your rocks. Now, we recommend no bigger than golf ball size rocks. So roughly about a golf ball. You want the rocks in there, the denser your load, the more steam you're gonna produce. So one really important thing that does happen time to time is that customers will put rocks in this back corner here. Now, if you look in there, you're gonna see a small V shape. That's your drain. What that does is allow excess water to drain from your basin so you don't have water build up. So what you're going to want to do is put a couple larger, no bigger than a baseball, in just one or two in that corner, and then put your rocks against that. What that's going to do is it's going to prevent those smaller rocks over the years from crumbling and filling that drain. Now, when you're putting your rock in, there's this sticker here. It says keep rocks down approximately 1 inch lower than the 2-inch wide lower hood frame. Now, this is the 2-inch wide lower frame. The reason for this is because your main heat is coming up underneath of this 2-inch frame. This is your basin, your elements here, same as the other side. If you block this air, which is your air inlet 1, if you block this, you're not going to get the heat you want to produce, and you're not going to produce the steam. So you want to keep it 1 inch lower. So from here, your rock should be no higher than this point. If they're any higher, you're not going to produce the steam that you want.